Hello guys, welcome to Karna Linux channel. In my last video, I installed Manjaro KDE 17.1.10. So after install that OS in my VMware as a virtual machine, I faced some issues that it was very slow. So now I am going to install Manjaro xfce 17.1.10 version. So let's get started. My VMware workstation. Create new virtual machine. Typical. Next. I will install the operating system later. So next. So Linux, and we don't have the distribution here. So that's why we use other Linux 3.6 kernel 64-bit and click next. So you can give operating system name here like manjaro xfce 17.1.10. So this is my virtual machine. You can give any name. So you can next browse where is the location to install that operating system. So I'm going to my computer and interface, make a new folder. So here I am giving the same name manjaro xfce 17.1.10. Okay, now it's selected that folder and click next, and store virtual disk is in a single file. I am giving 30 GB. 30 GB, you have to give 30 GB only because it is minimum. Go to customize hardware and memory. You have to give 2 GB as minimum. One second. Yes. And processors, I have 2 processors and 2 cores like this, and select where is that ISO image file. Browse. I have that image file in my winterfill directory. So this is xfce. Open and go to display, accelerate, check on accelerate 3D graphics. Right, everything is perfect. Close and finish. Now power on this virtual machine. See, in my previous video you observed that I installed that KDE version. It was very heavy desktop environment. Actually it was very slow when I'm using that, so I'm not able to compare between the Linux Mint operating system and this Manjaro KDE. So I choose this Manjaro xfce edition. It is a lightweight desktop environment. If it is possible, I can compare between those Linux Mint Cinnamon versus Manjaro xfce edition. So now I am going to install this xfce edition. Let's get started. Ctrl Alt Enter to enter the full screen. Use up and down arrow keys. So this is your time zone. First one is time zone. TZ equals to UTC. Press enter. So select Asia. Mine is in Asia, and Asia Kolkata. Enter. Okay, done. Key table, yes. Okay. Select a key table is equals to US. Next language also English and US. Driver equals to free, let it be, and go to boot manjaro x.x86 xfce. This x86 64 means it's a 64-bit operating system. So press enter. And in this video I tried to install the operating system with creating manual partition. In my previous video, observe, I just choose that, erase the disk and install the operating system. And in this video I am going to choose my own partition. So in that way you will know how much partition size you are giving to the operating system, how much swap memory you are giving. Wait for a second, it doesn't take that much time. Let it be. I am not skipping anything, but because you have to understand very clearly, so I am not skipping the part here. It will come. Yes. Yep. Yes. Now it's showing that connection is established. This is about my internet connection. So after that, it's a home page, not a home page, it's a hello page. Welcome to Manjaro hello page. You can observe here Manjaro hello. You will find that documentation, readme, and support for forums and project. If you want to get involved in the project, you can choose all these things like development, donations, chat room, mailing lists, documentation, release info, wiki. So for installation, I have to go launch installer. Okay. Welcome to the Manjaro Linux 17.1, that is Hakoila installer. So language is English, United States, let it be. Location. Click next. Location is already set, so it choose automatically, and for language I have to select English US. English US and choose default. Click next. So I am going to choose manual partitioning here. So select manual partitioning. Click next. So click on new partition table. You have to click this master boot record MBR. So click OK. Click on free space and create. First we have to create slash partition. So how much we have? 30717 megabytes. That means it's 30 GB almost. So I am going to first I have to take two partitions. The first one is slash partition and the second one is swap partition. If you check the slash, if you create a partition with slash, it will automatically take the boot partition, home partition and root partition. So these three partition will come under slash partition. So I am going to take swap memory as 2 GB only. So first I am going to choose slash partition 30717 minus 2048, exactly 28669 MB. Here I mentioned 28669 MB, that is almost 28 MB. That is for slash partition, and file system should be ext4, and that is primary partition, and mount point is slash. So click OK. Next click on free space, create 2048 MB, that is 2 GB. I am going with my Linux swap partition. So click OK. So both partition I created. Now click next. You have to give your name here, that is Karna manjaro My login name is Karna only. So PC name is Karna-PC. Choose a password to keep your account safe. You can give any password here. Don't click on that login automatically without using for the password. No, that is for your security reason. You don't have to check this option. Use the same password for the administration account. That is optional. You can. I am clicking on this. Use the same password for the administration account, or else you can give different password for your administration account. Click on that. Click next. So it will show the location Asia, Kolkata, and system language will be set English, India. No. Location, the system language will be set. My keyboard is no. Yes, my keyboard is English. Yes, no, not worry. So it's a summary. You can observe here. This is the summary tab, and this is the things you have changed here. Location, keyboard, and observe the partition. How many partitions here? 2 partitions. So this is the current partition. After installing, you will find these 2 partition only. So click on next. You will be able to undo these changes. No, I am going to install now. So it will take some time. When the installation is complete, I'll get back to you. Okay. Okay guys, it's all done. Okay, it's showing that all done. That means the installation process is complete. When you check this button and it will restart. So I'm not going to do that because I have to do one thing. That is, go to home, click on this Manjaro. Okay, first. Okay, done. Installation is process completed. Now I have to go to settings. Let's see. Settings CD. So I have to use this. Use physical drive. Okay. The guest operating system has locked the CD-ROM and doors and probably using CD-ROM. Okay, that it's not allowing. No. Operation cancelled. Okay. Cool. Let me shut down. Access, education, and what is it? I locked that. Karna, and the password is manjaro123. I gave the password as like that. Login. Incorrect password, please try again. Okay. manjaro123. Login. Cancel. Manjaro JARO123. Okay, let's switch off this. Shut down. Shut down. Now go to CD or DVD and use physical driver. Okay. Power on this virtual machine. Control Alt Enter into full screen mode in VMware. Okay, and manjaro123. Enter. That's it. It's logged in. Yes, you can close this. So these are the options are available. Here you can observe Bluetooth enabled, and this is Ethernet connectivity. This is your system is up to date. Check it. Any packages are missing or something. Repositories, core, extras, go to core. Okay guys, in this way you can install the Manjaro xfce edition. And if you like the video, please click on that like button and subscribe my channel. Next thing, if you share this video, it will be very helpful to who want to learn Manjaro, and if they want to use as their desktop, so this video is helpful for them to how to install this operating system. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please do in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.